close side of the blade. Exiting into backward 8. Is to make a side step that the leader makes shorter than the follower. In this way, we get our partner on our left side, and we are in cross system, walking straight. At some moment, I will do a sacada with my left to exit with the backward 8. Here I place my partner on my left side and walk. Also, you can practice walking slow, and then I do a sacada, backward 8, exit in parallel system. And let's try. What we are going to do after the first step, when I step with my right, the second step, change system. Now we are in parallel system. One more step in parallel system. So I have to be parallel system outside partner on the close side of the embrace. And in the next step, I will repeat the same technique to change system. The leader is doing right, feet together, right again, to change system. 2 times. Now I am in cross system. I change to parallel system. Left and then again, right, feet together. Right, I am in cross system. Backward 8, exit in parallel system. Here I change system. One step outside partner on the close side of the image in parallel system. And then right and right. I change system again to cross system, backward 8. But everything that is simple in tango is harder in the sense that you have to put the emphasis in the musicality. So when we do something like walking, we have to put all the musicality there, all the feeling, all the cadence. This one, it has a little touch of football, but it's not too complicated, so you have to play with the cadence. Right, feet together, right, left. Right, feet together, right, backward 8.
I have one detail for the followers that when I look at you, I think that I have one thing to make it a little bit easier for you. When you walk backwards in the achos that are more walking achos or just in any back step, when you are here, your back leg is ready to receive the weight. You're here with the leader, the back heel is in the floor, you can collect. Sometimes I see that you get stuck a little bit with that leg that is forward. Here, and step.